Look at that one jiggling. My latest purchase. Reach my destiny, Lord, and to fulfill my purpose. Molly bought me these glasses for my birthday. You really shouldn't have, but you should have.
And appreciate the love of my life.
I just felt so special all day today. Harbour Bridge in the background, Opera House over there. What more could you ask for? Never done this before. I feel kind of bullshit. Good morning, everybody. So I didn't pick up the camera at all yesterday, but I had such a busy day. I bought Aussie some Versace glasses. They had 20% off, which is better than nothing. Molly got me, oh my gosh, I have to show you guys. That one deserves its own video. That one was my Prada glasses, and I don't really care for like designer brands. Like, I could not care less. I will rock these cheapies until the cows come home, but it was her gift for me for my birthday, an early birthday present. I'm just really grateful for my sister Molly. Do you guys have a sister like that? Because I am so blessed with my family. Molly.
Richie.
Yeah? Nike had the biggest sale and I got so many good like things from Nike. Alright then, bud. And Molly also got Aussie that hat from Western Union. And guys, let me tell you, it's not cheap either. Like, Molly's just been blessing us so much lately. We gotta swing by and pick up Molly. We haven't even left Canberra yet, guys. We already had a pit stop for pies. No one's had breakfast yet, so we're pretty hungry. Got two cowboy folks here.
Cowboys, when they go somewhere, they eat at the front.
Look at Dad's USA pill. Damn.
I think about you every day and night. A million reasons why I can't get you out my mind.
We're here at the beach because we beach babes.
Just rewind the time. 'Cause every time I look around, you're never there. You're never there.
This is the same beach that we went last.
What's up? What's up? Let's go.
That is disgusting. Why did you just open up its poop? It's dead. Go take it back to the water. Go chuck it in the water. What are you laughing at?
The boy's dressed up as a cat.
Guys, it's so pretty here. I just know that look how clear the water is. If the sun was shining, like, bro, that would look so pretty. And we went for a quick pit stop to get some food.
Wait, can I use my prop?
Careful, careful.
It's still alive. Well, let's see. Maybe pick it big up. Take it big up.
Eddie's so strong. Eddie, you're so brave. Eddie, you're so brave. Look at Eddie. Whoa. Look at that one jiggling. Oh, got off by. Someone put it out of the Hello guys, we are here at the Wallessa residence.
I didn't know. Hi, Cookie Mookie.
Hey, Cookie Wook.
Yeah, like we all see. So Vicky, Amazon goes, okay, oh, are you going with Auntie Vicky? I'm like, yeah. And then he was like, oh, do you think I should come with you guys? And then I said, oh, it depends. And then I was like, how big is your bum? He's like, oh, it's big. And I'm like, yeah, well, you can't come then. He's like, no, I mean, it's small. It's small. He's like, well, it's smaller than yours. I'm like, nah, you already said it's big, so you're not coming.
I want to come in your car.
Who's got the best rap? Evan, you start. You start. No, you do. You
Evan's booty so big when it jiggles and it wiggles. It is its own person. Happy New Year. I don't know if I said that. I don't even know if I vlogged New Year's. Like I said, I have a little bit of a backlog. So when I have that, I just don't feel motivated to pick up the camera. I need to get out of that mindset. 2025, we are getting out of that mindset. We're just going to have a big backlog and we're just going to have to deal with it. But officially adulting, my latest purchase of 2025. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have developed quite the green thumb. Baby green thumb, but green thumb nonetheless. Loy and I are taking down the Christmas tree. Who am I, honestly? Usually this tree stays up until the end of January, but I'm feeling motivated. So this is the end result, guys. It can fold here. And it's so long, it wraps around our backyard. I just finished watering my my little garden out here. And I bought this compost bin, which I'm about to set up. Tomato cage stand to help with my tomatoes, because I got a tomato thief. Got a little tomato thief somewhere. This whole thing has just disappeared, because I have not even tried one tomato from my harvest. My food scraps there that I'm about to pour into my compost. Happy composting, guys. This is why it pays off having a man, because you go to Bunnings, you just point your finger, and then they have to come home and and do everything. My first batch of composting. Ew. Finally having something to eat. I haven't finished the housework yet. There's a lot to do. What's he gonna pause you for? I stacked all the chairs into the room because Beatrice has got to come out here and do her thing. Beatrice is my electronic robovac and mop. Got Georgie pants over here. I cooked him a quick brekkie snacky. Nice. Fill the meal,
Yeah, I'm busy all day doing everything, doing the outside, the back.
Oh yeah. When our days turn into years, honey, please don't change.
Please don't change.
It's our book that's still been written. Laura's currently at work at the moment, so she finishes at 3:30. We've got about 3 hours to go. I've got so much to do. My sister's coming from Sydney today, so excited to pick her up. And yeah, it's just gonna be a chill having our family lunch. You got a club sandwich. So we had breakfast together. Now we're having dinner together. Just finished a full day of moving. Oh my gosh, guys, I did not vlog any of it. Finished a full day of moving my sister. Absolutely buggered. Feeling so tired. I totally forgot to tell you guys that we had a full day of moving. Like, I felt like I was gonna faint. It was so hot, so much work, and it was so impromptu. We did not plan it, but so glad we were able to help out my sister and Filippo. We're now here celebrating at Eagle Hawk. Morning, guys. So these are my glasses. These are my glasses. Morning looking so strong today. Molly bought me these glasses for my birthday. In next week. Like, she really splashed more than half a rack. These are $600. My Molly girl, sister girl, I love you so much and I appreciate you so much. She's that type of sister that, like, even when you don't think you're worth it, she will show you you're worth it by spending her own hard-earned money on you to tell you and show you how much she believes in you, how much she loves you, and I just love her so much. She's always spoiling Aussie and I, but
Yeah, and I love it.
that's my sister. You love what?
The cowboy hat.
Oh yeah. We got our little stink butt at the back here. He used to come everywhere with us and he loved it, and then we stopped for a long time because Laura's here, so she's always taking the back seat, so we stopped taking him with us. But we've found a change in his demeanor, so we're trying to start it up again. Laura's currently sleeping at home, but heading to the farmer's market, and I just want him to chill out, you know. He's a real timid, anxious dog.
Good boy. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Wait. Sit. Because we're not allowed a dog there, so that's why we come under here. All the dog is here.
So we got home from the farmer's market a long time ago. Rallied the troops. Waiting for the other two to finish their bike ride around the lake. And then one more sack who is going to be dropped off to our house in about 40 minutes. These guys having a 1v1. Eben over there on my work monitor.
Brian! You're so
Got all the ball sacks with us. Open the gate, please. Lesser, no running off, or you going home?
Remember that time? You know that kid?
Okay, guys, we're gonna do a quick review of the movie. Zaya, what? Rate it.
10.
Mona,
A 20.
let's say rate it.
10 out of 10.
Okay, Evan. Evan gave it a 10. Eddie.
I said 0.
No, you said 10. You just didn't like the sad parts. You're salty like salty springs. You want salty.
Aussie.
I hate the movie.
10 from me too. There was a part where I was about to cry when Evan, what was the part I was gonna cry at?
Scar betrayed.
Hey guys, had a wonderful day today. It's a Sunday. We got home from church ages ago, but I wanted to show you guys my Christmas present that my KK got me. This was on my wish list and I've always wanted one of these. Have no idea what I'm doing, but following the instructions. So it gives me up to 60 liters. Put my chilled water in. Then there's gluten over there. There, see, that's the kind of fizzy I like.
Too much.
Now look at all that fizz. Should I try anything? Can I taste?
Oh, that's too much.
No, it's not, babe. Take a whiff of that. That smells so good, guys. I got a Pepsi Max vanilla. I just made Pepsi Max vanilla soda. It tastes just like Pepsi Max vanilla.
So nice.
I can't believe it, guys! There you have it. Thank you so much to my KK Chrissy, my Chris Kringle. Hey guys, welcome. It is, I guess, the start of my birthday vlog. I don't know how much of my birthday I'm actually gonna get. It's a day before my birthday and I don't work on my birthday, so I took the day off. Elsie came home with these beautiful flowers, like, look at them. So pretty.
Going to the Raiders Club. The birthday is for tomorrow, but trying to celebrate the birthday and appreciate the love of my life.
Wow, wow. I like it.
Birthday girl over here.
We're here at dinner. Mata feta. And how mushrooms.
What is that? For your steak.
Guys, we're here at Lukumates. Trying these Greek donuts. This one's the famous Dubai chocolate one.
No.
It's pretty nice, eh? Elsie chose the bueno and there's so much chocolate in it too. They were very generous with it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna drink this whole thing. Morning everybody. Today is my birthday and I am feeling a little bit tired because I've been up since around 4:30ish. I just couldn't get back to bed once I wake up. The rest are still sleeping, but I'm making myself some birthday breakfast. I'm just making some eggs and bacon. There's no bread, but I just realized that that's all right. But I'm just so grateful. I don't really have plans today. I did take the day off of work because I just don't like working on my birthday. And I have a work trip coming up. In a couple days, I'll be heading to Brisbane for a 2-day workshop. So I've never done this before. I feel kind of bullshit. These tomatoes are from my garden. Perfect. Finally sitting to have my breakfast now. I'm just a simple gal, you know? Thank you, Father, for this food. I pray that you bless this food, Lord. I want to give you glory, give you thanks, give you honor for 32 years of my life. Reach my destiny, Lord, and to fulfill my purpose here on earth. So here we go. I would have made y'all's breakfast, didn't know what time y'all's were getting up.
I'll send you the money and you just go do your work.
Okay. Are you sure? You don't have to, but you want to. What?
I got my bill for the month.
Employee? Oh my gosh, that's what I mean. It's employee of the month.
Yeah.
Laura got employee of the month.
Last week.
Oh wait, what? Oh guys, look at that. Laura got employee of the month. What a star.
I'm just too good.
She's an
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Victoria. Happy birthday.
Guys, you really shouldn't have, but you should have. Gonna make a small little wish.
Small little wish for the birthday girl.
Have a quick taste test of the punch. I don't know why I just blew it. That's pretty good. I thought the pineapple was gonna be so sour. Well done. I like it. I feel so special. Aussie bought me flowers yesterday. Did this for me. Laura's getting my nails done for me. Look at me, I'm just such a special girl today. On our way. It feels so early in the morning, but it's actually not. It's about 12:30. Just stopping here just to quickly get my eyebrows threaded. Then we're gonna head to the mall. Laura's at work. Unfortunately, she's working, but she does finish a bit early today. Just a half day for her. Then we're gonna head to the mall and get my nails done. But I just wanna give a massive shout out to my beautiful husband. All of his efforts today to make me feel so special. I definitely feel very special today, and I can see the massive effort that he's making to make me feel special. So I'm very, very grateful. He did tell me yesterday that he just wanted to show me how much he appreciated me, and I love that. Thank you, baby. I'm a lucky
Big shout
girl.
out today for your birthday. Today. So yeah. Big happy birthday for you.
But it's not about gifts, you know. I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm grateful.
Happy birthday. Pray God for more years added to your life. More blessing
Amen.
for our future family.
Hey, you guys.
Hey, what's up?
I want to quickly play you my mum's birthday message because it made me cry. I posted it on my Instagram and I just love it. It's just a sweet message. Low-key almost slipped out that I'm her and my dad's favorite.
To you. Happy birthday, beautiful. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my beautiful daughter. Ia, paftailo walofa ia maua. E tele a kaimi e ke suki ai ia ai. Kamangwia le ali ilo was whanga ue yaso. O oe au ne maa. E kua ku iai maa ua so se mea ma ke manga o ai. E ke kali mai a ke iloa fo ia e ki ngama e whaali i Skype. E ke whai a mea ma ke manga o ai. I love you so much. Ya mangwia la malo was. Happy birthday.
Oh, that was from my mummy. And every time she pauses, that's her trying not to cry. So I do the same thing when I talk, but that was such a lovely message from a loving mother. Just got home from a nice night out having some lukumades, which is a Greek donut. It was actually really good. They have this one flavor and it's the Dubai chocolate and it is amazeballs. They do not skimp on the sauce. So there was plenty of sauce there. But I got the bueno today. Laura got the Dubai and wow, so full. I forgot to pick the camera back up. We did have a nice dinner here at home. We had some lamb chops with some potato and pumpkin. Did a little bit of shopping. We're planning to go to Sydney tomorrow. There's just so much, guys. I'm so sorry I forgot to pick up the camera. It's my birthday. But I had a nap and I just felt so special all day today. And I just a massive shout out once again to my lovely, wonderful husband for making me feel super special today. I know he really went out of his way. He outdone himself this birthday and hopefully many more birthdays to come. And I appreciate him so much. So thank you so much to my best. I love my nails so much. Here it's 10:40 p.m. I've had such a wonderful day. My husband got me light blue. Let me put you on a perfume real quick, and so it works for both guys and girls. It must be a guy's one, but it smells divine. And a light blue Dolce & Gabbana. Oh, I had the 100 mils and I just run out, so Aussie got me another. Oh, I'm just so grateful for my husband. Hey you guys, next day on our way to Sydney. Woo woo! I love road trips.
It's been a long time.
Yep. Oh, I'm gonna take my jumper off now.
It's been a long time, but now we're back on the road again. Let's ride it. So we'll see you guys on the road.
We pulled up on the side of the road just to...
Took the opportunity, a chance to convert from it. Let's look at other people from in front.
Guys, we're here at the beautiful Opera House. Harbour Bridge in the background. Opera House over there. What more could you ask for? Georgie? Guys, we're about to have a role play. So, Aussie, for the last 20 minutes, we've been doing role play. Okay, go then.
Ole kamio oi kako ole balu fase ful. Elele kelele fasmoa ua we elele ya lil kama menki lava. Felolo lava la ulo fasmoa. Falala solo le la au. Askalia, Askalia.
Askalia?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Because
we are, I don't know when the last time I picked up the camera. We're going for some lucumares. It's kind of similar to normal donuts, except the dough is a little bit more chewier. Me? You want me to wear your hat? This is Aussie's hat. It's too colourful because I'm wearing pink. I'll wear it though.
It looks nice. Wear black
if you want me to. I don't want to wear a black t-shirt. I'm wearing what I'm wearing.